I'm Nimesha, a student of the Diploma in English Language and Literature. Today I will be presenting a comparative analysis of two poems. Shall I compare Thee to a Summer's Day by William Shakespeare and A Fisherman Moon by his wife by Patrick Fernando? My focus will be on the role of nature in both poems. Nature is a key theme in both poems. Shakespeare and Fernando use nature in different ways. This presentation explores how each poet uses nature to express beauty, love, and loss. William Shakespeare is a poet, playwright, and an actor. He wrote 154 sonnets and famous for sonnets about love, beauty, and nature. Patrick Fernando is a Sri Lankan poet. He famous for realistic poetry. Contrastive analysis on the role of nature in two poems discussed under three themes. First, nature as a symbol of beauty was power. Second, nature with permanence and change. Third, nature relationship with human emotions. In Shakespeare's sonnet, compare the beloved to a summer's day. It emphasizes from shall I compare thee to a summer's day. Here Shakespeare says nature is beautiful but imperfect, and he shows how the beloved is more lovely than summer. In other hand, Patrick Fernando's poem, nature represents both fisherman life and death, and it shows how she is involved in the fisherman's death. Patrick Fernando says, 3 months monsoon thrashed the sea and you. Then, under nature with the permanence and change, Shakespeare emphasizes that summer fades, but the beauty and love of beloved will never fade. In other hand, Patrick Fernand says nature is eternal, but human life is fragile. Under nature relationship emotions, romance and hopefulness can be seen in Shakespeare's sonnet. Here, beauty is highlighted. But in other poem, nature has used to tell mournful story. Nature is real there. These are some similarities in two poems. True love never ends. Nature has used to express love, and both are emotionally expressive. This contrast shows how nature be both an artistic symbol and a real experience in life. These are the references that I have followed. This is the end of my presentation. Thank you.